How to use Winman TDS. Press F6 key or click here to select the relevant financial year. Select relevant financial year from the list. Click OK. Here you can select required form and quarter. Selected form and quarter details are displayed here. Let us check other available forms. If you already have data in Excel file or .txt file generated in other software, you can import the data instantly. Now, let us enter the data manually. If the entered text is frequently usable, you can add the same to drop-down list by pressing F3 key. Click OK. Click here to view the added list. Select relevant state from the given drop-down list. Select relevant deductors type from the given drop-down list. Click here to copy deductors details to responsible person's details if both are same. Click Yes. Click here to save the file. Click Save. Press F11 key or click here to enter deductee details. Type of deductee is automatically selected based on the entered PAN. You can also validate the entered deductee's PAN by right-click option in the deductee window. Press F10 key or click here to enter challan details. All the applicable sections are listed here. The bank branch code once entered will be automatically updated to user list and the same will be autofilled to other challan details. You can also download the challans from IT website and verify the entered challan details by right-click option in the challan window. Press F12 key or click here to enter deduction details. Select relevant challan from the list and enter the deduction details. Deductees' names entered in deductee window will be listed here. Deduction amount is automatically calculated at the rate applicable to the selected section. You can also enter the data for different form or quarter in the same file. You need not enter the deductor's details again. Enter only other details for the selected form. Type of deductee can be changed as applicable. Enter the challan details. Select relevant challan from the list and enter the deduction details. Click here to check the challan utilization details if the same challan is used in different forms and quarters of a particular file. Deduction entered under the same challan for all forms and quarters in the file will be included here. Click OK. Thank you.